Okay, today we're going to be estimating the mean from grouped frequency. So before we do this, we need to know how to calculate averages, and we need to know how to calculate the mean from a frequency table. Before we go much further, let's just have a look at this frequency table to make sure we understand what this means. So the example, the question, is to estimate the mean amount of pocket money given to each child. So that's what's shown in this frequency table. And the amount of pocket money is separated into groups. So this first group means here, we've labelled the amount of pocket money P. So this means the amount of pocket money is greater than 0, but less than or equal to £1. So this frequency table is saying that 2 students in this class got between 0 and £1 in pocket money. 4 students got greater than £1 but less than or equal to £2. 7 students got more than £2 but less than or equal to £3. 13 students got more than £3 but less than or equal to £4. And 4 students got more than £4 but less than or equal to £5. So this is the total number of students. That's what the frequency is. So we can see straight away that there was more students got between £3 and £4 than anything else. So in average we call this the mode, but when it's in a group like this we call it the modal class or the modal group. So the modal class is this class here because there was the most people in there, the highest frequency, so that's between £3 and £4. So we're going to estimate the mean now. Now, why is it an estimated mean? It's an estimated mean because we don't actually know how much pocket money each of these students got. We know that these 4 students got between £4 and £5, but we don't know exactly. So they could have got £4 and 1 pence, or £4 50 pence, or they could even have got £5, all of them. We don't know, so we have to estimate. So the best guess that we can do, the best estimate, is to assume that these 2 people here, they got between 0 and £1. The best estimate is that they got 50p, or £0.5. And we call this the midpoint of the group. And we add an extra column to our table that we call the midpoint column. So the midpoint between 0 and £1 is 50p, between £1 and £2 is £1.50. Then we'll have £2.50 between 3 and 4, £3.50 between 4 and 5, £4.50. So this is the best estimate that we can do. That's why it's an estimated mean and not an exact mean. To calculate the mean, we add up the total amount of pocket money and divide by the number of students. So the number of students, if I add up this column here, if I add up this column, it comes to 30. So there's 30 students, so I'm going to work out the total pocket money and divide it by 30 students, and that will give me my estimated mean. To find out my total amount of pocket money by all the students, I have to then add an extra column to my table here, and this is the frequency multiplied by midpoint column, because I know here that I've got 2 students and they both got 50p, so altogether that is £1. I had 4 students that got £1.50, so that will be £6 altogether. 7 students got £2.50, and 7 lots of £2.50 is £17.50. 13 students got £3.50, which is £42.50, and 4 students got £4.50, so 4 lots of £4.50 is going to be £18. So I'm going to just add all these up now. So you may use your calculator for some of these questions, depending on how tricky the numbers are. And so that comes to a total of £85. So what this number is here is the total of everyone's pocket money added together. So to calculate the estimated mean, I need to divide the £85, divide it equally between the 30 people, and it comes out to be £2.83. And that makes sense because it's roughly in the middle of £0 to £5. It must be in that range somewhere. So it's an estimated mean. It's the total of all the pocket money put together divided by the number of students. But you must, in order to do this skill, you must copy out the table and you must add these two extra columns, the midpoint and the frequency times midpoint, and you divide this column by the total frequency to give you your estimated mean.